In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background in Microsoft Outlook quickly, following our 2025 guide. Whether you're looking to personalize your workspace or simply want a change of scenery in your digital environment, adjusting Outlook's background can be a refreshing update. This process is straightforward and takes only a few minutes, so let's dive right in. First, we need to head over to the Outlook website. Open your preferred web browser and type in outlook.office.com in the address bar. Hit enter, and this will take you to the Outlook sign-in page. Here, you'll need to log in with your Outlook or Microsoft 365 account credentials. Be sure to have your username and password handy. Signing in ensures that you can apply changes to your account and that these changes are saved securely in the cloud. Once you're signed in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a small gear icon which represents the settings option. Go ahead and click on this gear icon. This is where we'll be managing most of the customizations for your Outlook profile. The settings pane will slide out from the right, displaying a range of options. In this pane, you will find a section labeled Appearance. Here, you can select Theme to begin exploring different color schemes and backgrounds. Outlook offers a variety of themes, from dark modes to vibrant, colorful options, and even some that are image-based. This allows you to find something that matches your personal style or mood. As you browse through these options, you can click on each one to see a preview displayed on your screen in real time. Once you've found a theme that you like, there's no need to worry about finding a save button because Outlook automatically saves your selection. This feature makes it incredibly convenient as it means you can test several themes seamlessly until you decide on the perfect one without the hassle of repeatedly saving your work. So there you have it. Changing the background in Outlook is not only easy but also a great way to tailor your email experience to better suit you. With minimal effort, you can provide a fresh look to your emails that feels just right. Thank you for joining us today. Stay tuned for more quick and useful tips to enhance your Microsoft Outlook experience and streamline your digital workspace.